Maybe I should just turn off the TV because I have the TV running. So let me turn off the TV. I'm washing dishes. Hopefully the water doesn't splash. Washing dishes. So I don't really have all the ingredients that I would normally use, but we got this at Burlington, which is so freaking cute. My hands have water. I should probably get like a towel or something so I can constantly rinse my hand. Hold on. So we at a cottage right now. About to make something to eat. I'll give you guys like a little house tour, okay? But this is what we got at Burlington. It's like a pilon. Someone is sleeping, so I'm not trying to wake them up. So I have some onions, which I'm gonna cut and put inside of the chicken. This is the chicken. And make sure I don't have lemon or lime, so it's gonna be interesting. This is the chicken. I'm trying to make a whole chicken. Did I bring garlic? Barely. This is the only garlic I have. I guess we're gonna do garlic. No, not the garlic. Lighting is going away. So how you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. I'm trying to post more. I think I'm gonna go back to posting like little makeup videos, getting ready before going to work. I really want to go back and just be more motivated. I just feel like I have zero motivation, and I don't know what it is, but I have no motivation, okay? But this is like a new phone. The camera is nice though. Look at my skin. My skin is given. So let me put this away. I'm using garlic, like I said. I'm gonna put some salt. I have some parsley. We're gonna use some parsley. The parsley is gonna give it a little bit of taste because I have no lime. Like, you need lime or vinegar. I want to use the wine vinegar we have here, but I never use wine vinegar, so I'm kind of scared. We need a little bit of salt just to bring the flavors. Okay. So this, I'm gonna put it on a thing so this is how it looks, okay? I don't want to wake him up. He's sleeping. I already washed my face and brushed my teeth. Yo, I woke up, it was Monday, and I'm like, yo, it feels like it was Sunday. I feel like I didn't sleep. Or I feel like I did sleep. I don't know, the time was crazy. I was like, what? It's Monday? I have work tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Today's the 17th. I was listening to Jessie Wu. She just did a video with her partner, Mr. Easter. I was like, ah, it was so good. This definitely take longer. This is why people use blender nowadays. But I was trying to make a little piece, but I don't think it's gonna give a little piece. I don't think I have the energy to actually do it for a long period of time. Let me hurry up and I'll come back. Hold on, guys. This is great if you have anger, but I have zero anger on me right now, so it's giving. That's all I got, and that's on period. So we don't really have that much of stuff. Mind you, we are in an Airbnb. Hold on, guys. We DoorDashed some butter. So that's what we're gonna do. Sun is coming, sun is going. All right, so we have butter right here. Oh, that's gonna look so good. Should I put the whole stick? I feel like that's a lot of butter. A lot of butter. You know what? Oh, it's fine. I'm gonna put the whole stick. I'm gonna leave the some so I can butter the pan. You know? Now we're just gonna put our seasoning. Okay. The feeling of butter on it. Hot water does the trick. Okay. So we're gonna put some of the seasoning and stuff. I packed few seasoning. What we barely had few seasoning. This is curry powder. He's not a big fan of curry powder, but it'll have to do. He doesn't like curry. I don't know why. I like curry. This is lemon pepper. You know what? This will help because I'm gonna put a good amount just so it will help with the lemon because we have no lemon. And I'm gonna put some crushed peppers. I'm gonna put a good amount. Oh, I need to be careful so I won't put this thing on my face because I have it. Yeah, I don't want to touch it because it has the crushed pepper. Then I'm gonna put this one. This is like Maggi bouillon. I'm gonna put a good amount. I don't want to put too much, to be honest. I think that's a good amount. Another thing I want to put is, hold on. So they have some salt. So we're putting some stick seasoning. And then we also putting some ground pepper, okay? First thing I like to do, hold on guys. I always do that. I want a little cake, you know, gotta have a little cake. Then we're gonna use a knife or something to, and I'm gonna wash this. Guys, I'm like the type of person who's very paranoid. I always have to constantly wash, even though I just washed something, I'm constantly have to wash it again. Like, I feel like if I just put it in the cabinet, it's dirty. It's not dirty, but in my brain, there's probably dust. I don't know, it's weird. So I have to overly wash. My grandma's wife, she washed like, well, you're supposed to wash your can. Anything that you're doing, you're supposed to wash, but she be washing everything. She's not playing, which I like. I'm inspired to be like this. And put this over here. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna combine the butter and the seasoning together. At first I thought it was a lot of butter. Actually, it's really not. And it smells so good. It smells really good. I like the smell of the lemon pepper too. I want to put a little bit more lemon pepper, but I'm like, that's not. And I'm gonna put the parsley and the garlic, you know, stirring them together. This is gonna be the seasoning for the chicken. Okay. So here comes the chicken, which usually this is not what I normally do it, but we have to improvise because I have nothing, okay? So this is how the chicken look. I wish you guys can see what I'm doing. Let me push everything. Okay. I'm gonna first, I'm sneezing. You don't get to see that. I'm gonna put some stick seasoning because I feel like why not? It's not that much because I don't want it to come out a little bit I don't want it to come out salty. This have a lot of salt in it. I'm gonna put some lemon pepper. I think the lemon pepper. I think that's good. Now we're just gonna use the little thing that I think of my boyfriend. He's very like, kind of like, you know, if I made it, he doesn't mind. So that's the vibe he is, which is great because just in case that thing doesn't taste good. Because I usually use APs, I usually use a lot of stuff, but I don't have these things right now, so I'm using my imagination, okay? Okay, so so what you do is you find a skin and you kind of like put the butter thing that you make under the skin and spread it out. Oh my gosh, I wish I could show you. Let me finish. I'm using my hands, which you said in the beginning we're not. But here I am. I'm gonna let it sit for at least a couple minutes. I wanted to put it right away, but I'm like, nah, I wanna like marinate it first. So we're gonna take, guys, be careful. Alright, another thing I'm gonna do is poke some holes. I've poked a little bit of hole already, but I want to poke more hole to make sure that this stuff go in it. To be honest, it does look like it needs more seasoning, but it could just be in my head. I like me a seasoned chicken. So we're gonna put some more of the pepper. I'm not gonna put lemon pepper anymore. I'm gonna put some leftover of this that I had. I'm gonna put some curry. You know, I like curry, but he's not a big fan of curry. I'm gonna put this in the microwave to kind of like let it watery. Then let's see. This is how I look. Can you even see it? This is how I look. I did poke a lot of hole and stuff. I'm gonna put inside, I'm gonna put onions. I'm gonna put onions, peppers. I don't have peppers, onions, parsley, just like onions and parsley because that's the only thing I have inside, okay? I don't know why my thing, ooh, my thing is probably low battery. Can you? This is how it's gonna look. It looks so good. I'm doing a video of how my chicken look. That looks so good. And Sam, you're gonna have to taste it and tell me how good it looks. Look the mess. Guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't even show you a picture how it looks after, but we ate that food up. It was really good. You know what? I'll promise you guys another video where I show you guys like how it looks after because this is crazy. Oh my gosh. the cottage. My boyfriend is such in a rush. And this is how outside looked like. It had an outside. And this is how the outside looked like. My cottage. It had a little bar thingy. These are little bar. It looks so cute. That's it, guys. That was the little getaway that we had. We had so much fun. We need to do another one. It was really good. Bye.